Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburg, Pennsylvania, and we just had an earthquake in Pittsburg, California, where Kathy lives. It was a 4.1. It happened a few minutes ago. I'm sitting on the bed. I'd gotten out my deep icing pad. The big refrigerator didn't make it cold enough, but the little one did. And I was just about to put it at my knee, and I was sitting in the dark. Little girl had been on the bed. She must have hopped off. I thought at first it was her. This bed shook noticeably for, 10 seconds. Kathy lives 15 miles away. This quake was 1 kilometer below the earth, 11 miles northwest of Pittsburgh. So, fairly noticeable quake, considering I'm 15 miles away. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay cool today. Stay dry, stay hydrated, and watch the ground, I guess. Bye-bye for now.